For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
India-China standoff continues to intensify with each passing day. India and China continue to have dialogues with a view to de-escalate tensions along the line of actual control. Even as the talks are on, China continues to bolster its military deployment along the line of actual control. China has begun the construction of massive habitats for its troops to be stationed there. Along with that, China has also started road constructions and deployment of strategic missiles. The People's Liberation Army is building a brigade-sized garrison at Gyantes in Tibet, which appears to be meant for the ground forces. The construction was started after January 2020 and is likely to be completed by the spring of 2021. The latest garrison along the line of actual control includes 6 battalion area headquarters and administration area. The garrison also includes 600 vehicle and equipment sheds where the PLA plans to bank all its arms and ammunition. Along with the heavy deployment of troops, an artillery battalion is also located around 14 km from Gyantes. The new brigade is located at a point from where it will be able to move to the western part of the Arunachal Pradesh and also to Sikkim. The army officer also added that the Thwang area has been a major area of contention between the two nations. As part of its ongoing constructions, China is also building roads connecting to the border areas in eastern sector. The images of June and July confirm that China is building connecting roads to the border areas at multiple points in the eastern sector. According to sources, missiles and air defense systems are also being deployed along the line of actual control. For the first time, a target acquisition radar associated with the S-300 has been installed at Malan Airfield under the Western Theatre Command. Meanwhile, External Affairs Minister said that a solution must honor all agreements.
A solution to the border row with China must be predicated on honoring all agreements and understandings without attempting to alter the status quo unilaterally.
Despite talks being held on multiple levels, the deployment of troops has not been pulled back yet. India and China have been engaged in a standoff ever since the clash at Galwan Valley in May. Even as China continues to say that maintaining peace with India is its diplomatic priority, more and more Chinese troops are being garrisoned at the LAC.